Hello students. Today let us learn about this statistics in the 10th standard. So this chapter is for 3 plus 3, 6 marks for your exam compulsorily. So 3 marks for calculation of mean, median or mode, and 3 marks for drawing the ogive curve. Okay, I will tell you what is ogive in the next video. Today, let us talk about introductory about this statistics. As we know that statistics means it is the collection, grouping, tabulating, analyzing, then interpreting the numerical data that we know in your previous classes, is it? So statistics means it is the collection, grouping, tabulating, analyzing, then interpreting the numerical data. So there are here two measures of statistics. There are two measures. One is measures of central tendency. Another measures are here measures of dispersion. So these two measures we are going to measure the statistics. The huge data here. Okay. So there are three measures of central tendencies here. That is mean, mode, median. Three measures of central tendency. These will give only a bird view, only single value for the huge data, central average value. Okay, so but these the measures of dispersions will give the idea about the homogeneity or heterogeneity of the statistics, whole statistics. These will be learned in your next class, that is in college level, PU level. So in the old syllabus it was there, but it is eradicated from your syllabus for this year. Okay, in old textbooks these were there. Okay, so we have to go for these three only here. That means measures of central tendency will give only one average value. The measures of dispersions will give the idea about homogeneity or heterogeneity of the statistics. So that we learnt in the college. So you have to concentrate only these three here, measures of central tendency, which are those mean, mode and median. So here there are three ways we can calculate the mean, arithmetic mean. One is direct method, which is given by the formula x bar is equal to sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. This is called direct method. Assumed mean method. Second method is the assumed mean method, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. So I will tell what actually these terms are. This is assumed mean, frequency, deviation from the each class. Here fi, sigma fi is the total number of frequencies here. So okay. And again the third method is step deviation method. This method is not there in your syllabus now. It is omitted for this year. Okay, which is given by x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi into ui by sigma fi into h here. H is the width of the class interval. Again assumed mean, that is frequency. Ui refers to here xi minus a by h here. Okay, so this is as a step deviation method. This formula we are going to use. These are three important formulae that you have to remember to calculate the mean. How about this mode? I think you may be familiar with the meaning of mean, no? It is the average. It is the total number of frequency divided by number of terms. We will give that will give us the mean. It is the mean. What about the mode? Mode is oftenly repeated term in the given scores. So but here in the grouped data we are going to calculate mode by the formula L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 into f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h here. Okay, so this is a calculation of mode in case of grouped data. This is very important that you have to remember. Actually mode is the oftenly repeated term in the given distribution. So, but that is in the case of ungrouped data. But in the grouped data, we are going to take it as the mode as L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H here, where L is the lower limit of the model class, H is the size of the class interval, F1 is frequency of the model class, F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Okay, I will tell where we have to what all these by taking one problem here, then only we will understand. Before that you have to understand this clearly, the terms here. So third measure of central tendency is median, very important. Among these three, one will be given for 3 marks compulsorily. So median is calculated by, median means what? In general, median is the middlemost term in the given distribution in case of ungrouped data. But in grouped data, we are going to calculate median by the formula L plus n by 2 minus Fc by F into H. Here n by 2, it is half of the number of terms. Fc is the cumulative frequency. F is the frequency of the class, median class. H is the class size here, class size. So L is the lower limit of the class, median class. Okay, n is number of observations here. Capital N you can take here, n. Okay, n by 2. We are going to use small n also, n by 2. So this is what about the introduction about the statistics. Okay, so here you have to know the measures of central tendencies, that is mean, mode and median. The measures of dispersions are range, mean deviation, quartile deviation and standard deviation. Just you remember these 4 terms. There are different formulae, but in your syllabus it is not there. You have to remember these things, that is measures of central tendencies here. Okay, so let us go for calculating the mean, mode and median of the given data in the next video.